Right, time to strip the primary. So let's get points out first. Throw tools on the floor. I'll make a new points cover as well. Right. So just grab a quick photograph so I know which way round that was wired. What size that was it? It was. Let me just get something to jam the crank with. Right, a piece of wood would be better, but I haven't got any little fit in there, so that'll have to do for now. Got it. There we go. Now I'm going to put that in a bag. We don't get oil everywhere. That one is 15/16, so these 2 1.25 inch. I haven't got an 1.25 inch socket, so I'm going to have to try and get it with these. Somebody's had a go at these before because they're a bit rounded, which is concerning to say the least. Let's come in a little bit more. Get a bit more squeeze on there. Too much. Going on here. I'll give it a bit more of a pinch on that. Gone, I think. Yeah, we got that one. Get a new nut for that. Proper gold up. Well, you can see that. We've had a right go at it. This one is going to be an even worse one because that's a bit gnarly as well. So I can get onto that. Oh, hang on a minute, hang on, these are left hand thread. What am I doing? I'm going the wrong way. I am going the wrong way, aren't I? Where's my ratchet gone? It's there. I think that was loose already and I've just tightened it a bit. It was loose. Oh, Jesus. Little engine of horrors strikes again. And you can see that. A burr on that and everything. Says me having a go with a pair of fucking sliding Nifex fucking pliers. Right, next one I've got a socket that fits. Not that one. 15/16, yeah. That was loose again. Sweet baby Jesus. Right, let's get the gears off. Right, that one, easy peasy lemon squeezy. That feels lovely. These will now need pulling off. Not in a nice way. So what I have made is a puller. So it is 1 7/8 between the centre on those two on 1/4 UNF screws or bolts. And they should fit in those little holes there. Like that. And there's a proper good screw in. And then I need a piece of metal to go behind that to protect the end of the shaft.
1 minute later.
That fit in there. Like that. Should 1/2 inch ratchet. No, 9/16. What am I talking about? Right, let's pull straight off. Okay. I've just realised what I'm doing because I am a complete and utter fucking buffoon. All that's doing is pushing against my thing. That's pushing that against the sprocket.
Like the dumbest motherfucker that ever lived.
This shaft don't matter so much. Just don't splay it out. There we go. Got it. Okay. There we go. Okay. Yeah, stop the cast now. Let's get that one off. there. New slimmer bit of metal. There we go. Bit of shim stock would do. That's it. There we go. Oop, throw it on the floor. Right, so lastly we need to tackle the crank pinion gear. I went out and brought the proper tool because I don't want to damage the end of my crankshaft. So basically you've got these three little drawers that screw up, clamp behind it, so unscrew it, unscrew that, he says. I've stuck a swedge of geese on, geese?
Do you speak any English?
Grease on the threads. It's just stops the threads binding up quite a bit, which can happen when you're tightening them up. That goes on there. That should clamp behind the gears. And that screws in. That should locate in the end of the crankshaft. Feels like it has. And all we do is wind it up. Over there. Get a bit bigger. A bit tighter. Make it a bit tighter, don't we, gentlemen? Oh wow, how easy is that? And that is off. Winner winner chicken dinner. So I'm just feeling the state of the bushes there. This isn't a full-on test. No movement in that. It's nice and smooth all the way around. There is a spring, if I remember right, on the far end of them, and it seems to be working okay. This one, the inlet, is a bit tight in a couple of spots. So they're coming out anyway, so we'll have a look and do some measuring up, but I'm not 100% happy with that. Not that I'm an expert. So there we are then. That is a timing side stripped off. Next I will do the gearbox. I'm in two minds about the gearbox. I will strip it down because when I drained the oil out it was a little bit milky. So it's worth having a look in there. Well, we've got the engines to pieces, we might as well do the gearbox as well. So thanks for watching.